On YouTube, Locust Motorworks back here today, bringing you guys yet another cold start video. Today it's gonna be a 52A, so I hope you guys enjoy it. And shout out to Apple, because all your phones die in this cold weather and we can't use it to record. So if you guys by chance want to make like a case that keeps your phone warm or has like some better battery, maybe call it like a 6620 case model or something. I don't know, but please help us out. Guys, we're back here in the little shop shed today, and the temperature is about 13 degrees, if you can see that. There you go. There she focused on in. And there's the A back there that we're going to be starting up today. So hope you guys enjoy this startup. Alright guys, so this thing sat for about 5 months-ish, something like that. So, and we don't have the two 6 volts in it. We're running just one 12-volt battery. So we're going to see if it pops off here in this cold weather. So, alright, 1 second here and get ready to hit her. Alright, hit her. Push the choke in a little bit when it starts. Okay, ready? Yep, hit her. Guys, so we're having a little battery cable issue here, so we're gonna get the right battery on there, and then tomorrow we're gonna show you driving this thing around a little bit. But yeah, there she is. She started up really great in this cold weather. Nothing runs like a Deere. I'm pretty happy with her. So what do you think, Dan?
Yes.
Heck yeah.
John,
Jake?
approved. Nothing runs like a Deere.
Heck yeah.